Before starting the exercise 4.3, first of all, let me tell you about the quadratic equation, how this formula has been derived. You see, first formula, it has been derived by Sridharacharya's formula. This is the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a should not be equal to 0. So what he has done, first of all, he has multiplied both sides by 4a. So he got 4a square x square, 4ab x plus 4ac equal to 0. Now he transposed the constant term to the right hand side. You see, 4a square x square will be equal to 2ax whole square plus 2 into 2ax. Now we have got the a value, so 2ax into b. So it will be equal to minus 4ab or minus 4ac. You see what I have done here? The 2ax square plus 2 into 2ax plus b will be equal to, I have transposed this 4ac to the right hand side, so it will be minus 4ac. Now adding b square both sides we had. So 2ax whole square plus 2 into 2ax into b plus b square has been added to the left hand side as well as to the right hand side. So b square minus 4ac. Now the next step, you see, this will be complete a square plus twice ab plus b square. So it can be written like this: 2ax plus b whole square will be equal to b square minus 4ac. So 2ax plus b, taking the square root, so taking the square root of the right hand side, it will become plus and minus. So root of b square minus 4ac. So transpose this b plus b to this side, it will become minus. So 2ax will be equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac. So x will be equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now the second method to derive the formula for quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. So constant term should be transposed to the right hand side. You see, ax square plus bx equal to minus c, transposing the constant term. Now x square plus b upon a means dividing all the terms by the coefficient of x square. So we will get here x square plus b upon ax equal to minus c by a. This I have mentioned here, dividing by the coefficient of x square. Now adding b square by 4a square to the both sides to make the left hand side a perfect square. You see, what will be the half of the x, half of the coefficient of x? You see, what will be the half of the coefficient of x? That is b upon 2a. So we have to add square of the half of the coefficient of x on the both the sides. You see, x square plus b upon x plus b square upon 4a square. What is b square upon 4a square? It is the half. It is the square of a half of the coefficient of x is equal to b square upon 4a square minus c upon a. So now it's left hand side you see x square plus b upon a x plus b square upon 4a square. It will become a perfect square. You see x plus b upon 2a whole square. And you just solve it, you will get, taking the LCM 4a square, so it will become b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Now taking the square root of the left hand side, so x plus b upon 2a will be equal to plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. I have mentioned it, taking the square root of both the sides. So you transpose this b upon 2a to the right hand side, so x will be equal to minus b upon 2a plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This will be equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Because these are the like terms, like fraction you can say, or the LCM will be 2a. So in a nutshell, the formula is like this: x will be equal to, which I suppose that you should remember it, x is equal to the minus the coefficient of x. Means you have to put minus inside the coefficient of x, plus minus root coefficient of x whole square. Coefficient of x whole square minus 4 into coefficient of x square into constant term whole divided by twice the coefficient of x square. So the roots of the given equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are minus b plus root b square minus 4c upon 2a and minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These are the roots of the quadratic equations. Now you see the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. So here I will tell you the new terms, that is discriminant of the quadratic equation. What is the discriminant of the quadratic equation? That is, I have written the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Discriminant d, it is represented by capital D and it is equal to b square minus 4ac. You see the value of discriminant and nature of the roots. If the value of discriminant is positive and perfect square, means D means discriminant is positive and perfect square, at that time the roots, nature of the roots will be real, rational and unequal. If the discriminant is positive but not perfect square, means D is positive but not perfect square, at that time the nature of the roots will be real, irrational and unequal. If the discriminant is negative, means D is less than 0, at that time not real, imaginary. If it is equal to 0, real, rational and equal. The roots are real, rational and equal. Let alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. As you know that there are two roots of the quadratic equation, because its degree is 2, hence its roots will be also 2. So let alpha be, alpha is represented by minus b plus root b square minus 4ac. You see inside the roots this discriminant is written, whole divided by 2a. So it is alpha. For beta I have mentioned here minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a plus, this is sum of the roots, so I am just adding it, plus minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. You see, this is plus, this is minus. So the roots portion will be cancelled because one is positive and other is negative. And the rest of the things are the same. You see, minus b upon 2a, minus b upon 2a. So we will get here alpha plus beta will be equal to minus 2b upon 2a. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. We are left with minus b upon a. That can be understood that minus the coefficient of x upon the coefficient of x square. Now come to the product of the roots. Alpha into beta means what is alpha? That is minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a into minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So multiply it, you see, it is minus b here, it is minus b here. It is here, it is plus, here it is minus. The root portion is also same. So a plus b, a minus b, whole divided by 2a into 2a. So we will get 2a into 2a, and here minus b whole square minus root b square minus 4ac whole square. So as soon as you make the square of it, the square root will be removed. So b square minus 4ac inside the bracket, I have mentioned it here. Once we will open this bracket, this b square and b square will be cancelled and it will become plus. So here I have opened it. Alpha into beta is equal to b square minus b square plus 4ac upon 4a square. You see, b square and b square will be cancelled. So 4ac upon 4a square. So 4 and 4 will be cancelled. Here a and the square of the power of a, you can say the 2 will be cancelled. So we are left here c upon a. C means the constant term upon the coefficient of x square. To form the quadratic equation with the help of its roots, it is a very standard form. You can remember it also, x square minus sum of the roots. Sum of the roots means alpha plus beta. Sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots, that will give you the standard form of the quadratic equation. If you are having the roots of the given quadratic equation, you can form the quadratic equation. Okay, now proceed to the exercise 4.3. First question is, find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by the method of completing the square. You see, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Here I have mentioned the step 1, transpose the constant term to right hand side. So here I have transposed the plus 3 to the right hand side, it has become now minus 3. So 2x square minus 7x equal to minus 3. Now the next step is divide both the sides by the coefficient of x square. So here I have divided it, all the terms are both the sides by twice. You see, 2x square upon 2 minus 7 by 2, 7x by 2 equal to minus 3 by 2. Now the third step, add square of half of the coefficient of x to both the sides. I repeat again, add square of half of the coefficient of x to both the sides. Why? In order to make the left hand side a perfect square. You see here, x square minus 7 by 2x plus 49 by 16. What is 49 by 16? You see, what will be the half? Means 7 by 2 means 7 by 4. So make the square of it. 7 by 4 whole square, that will be 49 by 16. So 49 by 16 will be added to the left hand side as well as right hand side. Minus 3 by 2. So x square minus 7 by 2x plus, now I have written this 49 by 16 as 7 by 4 whole square equal to 49 minus 24 upon 16, taking the LCM of 16 and 2, that will be the 16. Now you see, this will be the a square minus 2ab plus b square. So x minus 7 by 4 whole square will be equal to 49 minus 24, that is 25 by 16. So taking the square root of the left hand side and right hand side, you will get x minus 7 upon 4 equal to plus minus 5 by 4. So x will be equal to 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Once I will take the positive sign. Here I have taken the positive sign. 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4 is equal to 12 by 4, that is equal to 3. One answer you will get it. For the second answer, you take minus side. X is equal to 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4. You solve it, you will get 2 by 4, that will be equal to 1 by 2. So the answer for the first part of the question number 1 of exercise 4.3 is 3 and 1 by 2. Second method, as I have just described in deriving the formula for quadratic equation, so the second method is also applicable here. If you want to know, then you try to understand it. Otherwise, it is not much necessary. The one formula is sufficient. Anyhow, you see the 2x square minus 7x plus 3, it is the given here. So what I have done, that I have shifted the constant term to the right hand side. I have transposed the plus 3 to the right hand side, so it will become minus. So 2x square minus 7x will be equal to minus 3. Now I put a sign of bracket here and I have multiplied the 4 times of the coefficient of x square. 4 times I have multiplied the complete, both sides or complete equation by 4 times of the coefficient of x square, that is, what is the coefficient of x square is 2. So I have multiplied it by 4 into 2, that is 8. So 8 to the 16, 16x square. 8 7 the 56, 56x. 8 3 the 24, minus 24. Now come here, the 16x square can also be written like this: 4x square, 4x whole square minus twice into 4x. As you know that 4x is a, so I have written here 2 into a. Now b, from here you can work out. You see, 2 into 4, that is 8, divide it, 56 divided by 8, that you will get 8, 7. So the b will be the 7. So plus square the 7, square of the 7, you add it on the left hand side as well as to the right hand side from your side, in order to make the left hand side as a perfect square. So it will be, you see, just I have solved it. 7 square minus 24, that will be equal to 49 minus 24, it will be equal to 25. So this part, the left hand side will become now 4x minus 7 whole square equal to 5 square. 4x minus 7 equal to plus minus 5. So once you take the positive sign, so 4x will be equal to 7 plus 5. So x will be equal to 7 plus 5, that is 12 by 4, that is equal to, answer is 3. You see, the answer is 3 in the first method. Here also answer is 3. Now 4x is equal to 7 minus 5, that is 2 by 4, that it will be 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2, you see. Now proceed to the question number, second part of the question number 1, that is 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. So I have transposed the constant term to the right hand side. So 2x square plus x equal to 4. So now divide the both sides by the coefficient of x square. So x square plus 1 by 2x plus 4 by 2. Here it solve it, it will become 2. So x square plus 1 by 2x. So what will be the half of the coefficient of x? It will be 1 by 4. Half of the coefficient of x. So we have to add half of the square of the half of the coefficient of x on both the side. So I have added 1 by 4 square to the left hand side as well as to the right hand side. So now you see the x square plus 1 by 2x plus 1 upon 16 is equal to 1 upon 16 plus 2, that is equal to 33 by 16. So you see here it will become a perfect square. So x plus 1 by 4 whole square equal to 33 upon 16. So again taking the square root, x plus 1 by 4 will be equal to plus minus root 33 upon 4. Plus minus root 33 upon 4. So x will be equal to minus 1 by 4 plus minus root 33 by 4. So you see the denominators are same. So the LCM will be 4. So minus 1 plus minus root 33 upon 4. So you see again here minus 1 plus root 33 upon 4. The plus sign here. This will be the one answer, and x is equal to minus 1 minus root 33 upon 4. This will be the second answer. Now the second method you can say. The second method can be done like this. 2x square plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Transpose this constant term to the right hand side. So 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 4. Multiply it 4 times of the coefficient of x square. So 4 to the 8. So 8 to the 16. 8 1 the 8. 8 4 the 32. So we have got a new equation like that. Like this. The 16x square plus 8x equal to 32. 16x square plus, you see this 16x square can also be written as 4x whole square. 4x whole square. So I have written here twice of 4 into x into 1. Because 4 to the 8, that is sufficient now, but just I have taken, for b I have taken 1. So the plus 1 square on the left hand side plus 1 whole square on the right hand side, that is plus 32, this will become 33. Sorry. 4x will be equal to transpose this plus 1 to the right hand side, it will become minus. So minus 1 plus minus root 33. So x will be equal to minus 1 plus minus root 33 upon 4. This gives you the x is equal to plus minus 1 plus root 33 upon 4, and x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 33 upon 4. This will be the answer of the second method. Let us proceed to the third part, that is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. So this can be done, that transpose the constant term to the right hand side. So 4x square plus 4 root 3x equal to minus 3. What is the coefficient of x square? Here it is 4. So 4 times of the coefficient of x square. I have mentioned here coefficient of x square. So 4 times of the coefficient of x square will be multiplied both sides. So you see that it will become now 64x square plus 64 root 3x equal to minus 48. Means 16 3 is 48. So minus 48. This 64x square can also be written as 8x whole square. Now for this, so twice of a means 8x here. So 2 into 8x into remaining part. You see 8 to the 16, just divide the 64, you will get 16 4 ja. So the 4 root 3 will become a b part. If you have remembered the a plus b or a minus b formula. So we have to add the square of this. So while you are adding to the left hand side, you have to add right hand side in order to balance the equation. So here 4 root 3 whole square will be equal to 4 root 3 whole square minus 48. You see 8x plus 4 root 3 whole square means a plus b whole square equal to 48 minus 48. You see, take the square of it, 4 square, that is 16, square of root 3 will be 3, so 16 3 is 48, 48 minus 48, 0. So one time we put 8x plus 4 root 3 is equal to 0 and 8x plus 4 root 3 equal to 0. Here again you see x will be equal to minus 4 root 3 by 8. Solve it, you will get minus 3 by 2, minus root 3 by 2. Here also again you will get x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Now come to the fourth part. The fourth part is 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. You see, x square plus 1 by 2x, I have divided the complete quadratic equation by the coefficient of x square, that is 2. So it will become x square plus 1 upon 2x, that will be equal to minus 4 by 2. So solve it, it will become 2. So x square plus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 4 whole square, I have added both sides. 1 by 4 means half of the square of half of the coefficient of x. Means 1 by 2 divided by 2, that will be equal to 1 by 4. So make the square of it and add it both sides. So it will become 1 by 4 whole square equal to 1 by 4 whole square minus 2. That will be 1 upon 16 minus 2, that is minus 31 upon 16. So here you see the x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to minus 31 upon 16. So while making a square of any number, we can't get minus. Either it is positive or negative. While making the square of that number, it should be always positive. But here it is minus 31 upon 16. You see, minus 31 upon 16. It is a perfect square on the left hand side. So again I have made the square root of it. X plus 1 upon 4 is equal to plus minus root minus 31 upon 4. Minus 31 upon 4 does not exist. Hence the roots do not exist. At this very stage you should know the minus 31, that is the imaginary part. and imaginary, that is the complex numbers, which has been not taught to you so far. Now question number 2. Find the roots of the quadratic equations given in question number 1 above by applying the quadratic formula. This is the question number 1, which I have mentioned earlier. The 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So just write down the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, x will be equal to minus, inside the minus 7 plus minus root of minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 whole divided by 2 into 2. So it will become 7 plus minus root 49 minus 24 upon 4. So x will be equal to 7 plus minus root 25 upon 4. Now again solve it. 7 plus minus 5 upon 4. It will become 7 plus 5 upon 4. That will be equal to 12 upon 4. And that will be the answer will be 3. In the second case, 7 minus 5 upon 4. That will be the 2 by 4. And it will be 1 by 2. The same answer you will get, but by applying the quadratic formula. Now come to the second part, that is twice x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. So just I have written the standard form of the quadratic equation just below it in order to compare the coefficient. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 4. Put down the values of a and b and c in this formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2 into a. So x will be equal to minus 1 plus minus root of 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4 upon 2 into 2. You will get minus 1 plus minus root 33 upon 4. So your answer will be minus 1 plus root 33 upon 4. Second answer will be minus 1 minus root 33 upon 4. These are the two answers of the second part. Now come to the third part. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equal to 0. I have written again the standard form of the quadratic equation just below it. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2 into a. Now substitute the value. X is equal to minus 4 root 3 b. The value of b is minus 4 root 3 plus minus root of 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 whole divided by 2 into 4. Because here a is 4. So 2 into 4. Now you see 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 plus minus root 48 minus 48, that is 0 whole divided by 8. So you will get here minus 4 root 3 upon 8. We solve it. X is equal to minus 4 root 3 upon 8. That will be the minus root 3 upon 2. Again the next answer, that is x is equal to minus root 3 upon 2. Now fourth part is 2x square plus x plus 4 equal to 0. I have written the standard form again here. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 4. X is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x will be equal to minus 1. Means here 1 is there. So minus 1 plus minus root of 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 4 whole divided by 2 into 2. So it will be minus 1 plus minus root 1 minus 32 upon 4. Again you see minus 1 plus minus root minus 31 upon 4. You see the discriminant is minus. So our roots will be imaginary, or it is less than 0, you can say. Here d is less than 0. The roots do not exist. Now come to the question number 3. First part, find the roots of the following equations. First is x minus 1 upon x is equal to 3, x is not equal to 0. You see, if x is equal to 0, in that case 1 upon 0 cannot be defined. It is not defined. That is why the instruction is given that x should not be equal to 0. Now cross multiply it or multiply both sides by x. You will get x square minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. This is the standard quadratic form. So apply the formula for x. Minus b, that is minus 3, plus minus root of minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 whole divided by 2 into 1. It will be 3 plus minus root 9 plus 4 divided by 2, it will be equal to 3 plus minus root 13 by 2. So again I have written here x will be equal to, just I have taken the positive sign, 3 plus root 13 upon 2, and x will be equal to 3 minus root 13 by 2. These are the two answers. Second part is 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 equal to 11 by 30. Here x should not be equal to minus 4. Why? Because once we put x is equal to minus 4, it will become 1 by 0, and which is not defined. Either if we put x is equal to 7, again this portion